Are you looking to capture customer data effectively and boost your conversion rates? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into how to capture customer data with Proofforms, the tool designed to optimize your website's conversion rate by collecting crucial data in a seamless and efficient way. Now, before we get started, you can access this software for free through the first link in the description, where you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses. You won't want to miss this. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness the power of Proofforms to capture customer data and grow your business. And I'll be sharing some pro tips on how to maximize this tool's potential for your website. Proofforms is incredibly straightforward to set up. It integrates directly with your website, allowing you to build custom forms that fit your specific needs. Whether you're gathering leads for a newsletter, offering a free consultation, or collecting customer feedback, Proofforms can help you streamline the process. But what makes this tool stand out? It allows you to display proof of social validation and testimonials right alongside the forms. This builds trust and encourages visitors to act. For example, showing how many people have recently filled out the form or purchased a product can drive conversions even higher. One of the key features is its flexibility. You can easily customize your forms to collect whatever data you need. Names, emails, phone numbers, specific feedback. The sky's the limit. And you can automate follow-up emails, saving you time and ensuring you never miss an opportunity. But that's just scratching the surface. With its clean interface and easy-to-use builder, you don't need to be a tech expert to create high-converting forms. Another great advantage is its seamless integration with your existing marketing stack. Whether you're using an email marketing tool, CRM, or other digital marketing platforms, Proofforms integrates smoothly, so you don't have to juggle multiple tools. The data you collect flows directly into your systems, giving you actionable insights and allowing you to nurture those leads. Don't forget about the A/B testing feature. Proofforms lets you test different versions of your form to see which one converts the best. This is crucial because even small tweaks can make a big difference. Testing can help you understand your audience better and optimize the user experience. You'll also get analytics and data-backed reports, which help refine your marketing strategy over time. Now, the beauty of Proofforms lies in its simplicity, but that doesn't mean it's a one-size-fits-all tool. It's powerful enough for marketers and small business owners, but flexible enough for anyone. For anyone new to this, the learning curve is minimal and the benefits are immediate. Plus, the customer support team is always there to guide you along the way. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Proofforms for free with an exclusive, extended trial, only available through the link below. You'll get access to all the features, allowing you to see firsthand how it can help you capture customer data and supercharge your conversions. So, there you have it. A quick rundown on how to capture customer data with Proofforms and start seeing real results. Don't forget to check out that free trial in the description and unlock your bonuses today.